Not too early, actually. Leo had the school bus this morning, so it's about 7:45 in the morning. I'm out with the two doing their morning walk. Today, in fact, I've got quite a bit to do. Volunteering up at the dog shelter. I do every Monday, so I'll be there till about 11. And then, unfortunately, the tenant that was in our studio flat, he's actually had to move out. He's gonna go up there and give that a bit of a tidy. Saying that, when he left last week, when I saw the flat, it was tidy. He'd cleaned. There's just a few little bits I'd like to pack away and remove, bits like that. So yeah. Peter, in the meanwhile, is back in the UK, which I'm very sad about, but it was lovely having him here. Yeah, so he's back in the UK, and he is, sorry, the dogs have just seen a rabbit. Why these rabbits are so silly, I don't know. And he and Zoli are actually moving forward with the kitchen, so that's really amazing. I know over the weekend they've built some of the cabinets, so yeah, without further ado, I guess I should just leave you all to the video, really. But thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, and if you'd like notifications, just to ding on the bell. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Thanks a lot, guys. Okay, just left the dogs. I'm here now in the garage of the studio. So I'm gonna pop upstairs and just take out everything that the gentleman left. As I say, it was very tidy, but there was a few little bits and pieces that I just want to pick up. So, right, let's go do that.
Kitchen sink is out. Now we've got to get the floor up. It's empty. The kitchen is yet totally empty now. Literally. And Zoli's first job, he's going to do the ceiling. We're going to board over the ceiling and then skim it or tape and joint it, I think. So that's all ready to go. All electrics are, first fix electrics are all in. That window we've still got to change. While Zoli's doing that ceiling, I'm in the dining room here, and I'm gonna make a start in building all the units. Get all these units built, got quite a few, and as they're built, I'm gonna put them round in that front room, in this room here, down there. Hi Zoli, morning.
Morning.
Okay, ceiling's done, or the boards are up anyway. This little piece is out there because we've got to move still take some pipe work out from the old-fashioned system to the new combi. So we'll leave that little piece out. That's going to be next. And I'm still building some units as well. This still a few more to go, but we're getting there.
Okay, Tuesday morning. It's a little bit cloudy today. It is St. Joseph's Day or San Jose Day here in Spain. So it's a red day, which means it's a bit like a bank holiday in the UK, and I'm assuming it's a national holiday. So I think it is. So everywhere's closed. Myself and Leo are heading off to Parkland this morning. He's actually got to sort out a tech problem. Myself and a couple of other ladies are actually taking over, trying to do some social media for Parkland, getting the dogs out there to find the new homes, because they're wonderful, wonderful little dogs. Well, big dogs, but little dogs as well. And unfortunately, we've come across a problem with how to download certain things. So Leo, who's only 12, is coming in to sort out the problem and walk a few dogs. So yes, so that would be grand. I'd best get on with this walk, get these two done. I've just managed to get through Bunny Alley. How, I don't know, because today there must have been about seven rabbits crossing our path. Some days we get none. Today we had 7, and with a galgo and let me just turn this around, and a mast in there, I survived with my life, just about. They pull a lot. But anyway, let's get on with today. I think Peter's continuing on with the kitchen in the UK, so let's get on with it.
Ceiling kitchen nearly done.
Nearly.
Just got to get that finished, Zoli, then sort these walls out a little bit. Although tiles are going down here and on the other side. I'm just draining the system. Some of the pipe work's got to be changed, and it needs a bit of a sort out. So yeah, some of this the wall needs sorting up here as well. We've got to do bonding. These are all the old plugs and the new setup. We've got a switch here for an outside light and a garden light as well. That looks nice. Oh, Zoli, you're going to get upset with it.
Yeah, the lovely fan is going to go.
When that window goes, I can feel a tear coming.
I don't know what that turn is, but scared at the moment.
It's still hanging there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to keep it as a
souvenir?
As a keepsake? Yeah. You're going to miss that, Zoli. Come on, we're going to miss talking about that.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Just literally ordered the kitchen window. Not too sure, but they've said by the 8th of April, that's 2.5 weeks, but there is Easter, I guess, within that time. We're just hoping that it comes a little bit earlier. But when I came back, Sam was actually out in the garden for me, looking at a few things, and I just want to show you what he's done. Hello. Man of the moment. Getting this out for me. It was a bit of a triffid, wasn't it? It was a little bit of a triffid, but bless him, he didn't do any videoing, he just wanted to take it out. But it came up to, I think
it was above that wall.
It was definitely above the wall, but I don't think it was as high as the top of the railing. So yes, so now what we've got to do is bag it up and get rid of it. But that's a good thing. That's another big crater. Why is it I've got all these craters around my garden? Unbelievable. But thank you for doing that. Okay, the time is 10 to 7 in the morning. There seems to be men's shoes everywhere. I think Sam's going to run out of shoes soon. What do you reckon, Lubbo? Nikki's all over the garden. Yeah, but yes, what I was going to show you all was that this whole crater, shall we say, crater is definitely getting bigger. Let me stand back just a little bit. There's even more mud down here now. I think they've even put some in the wheelbarrows, but they don't want to move it too far because when this thing if it ever comes out, they can then put the mud back in. But that's just what I have never seen anything so big. I mean, I think it might be bigger than the stump that Peter got out with the tractor. They were just digging and digging and digging and digging yesterday, and I actually had to make them come in for something to eat. So I think they're going to keep going. There is hope. It's getting there. I think they've just got to dig. Sorry, Labobo. I think they've just got to dig this bit out here. I know, darling boy. I know. You're just waiting, aren't you, for for your nice walk this morning. So yeah, they've just got to take out this bit of mud. And I say just, I mean by the looks of it there's a lot more to go, but anyway, just thought I'd keep you updated on my crater, my moon crater. Okay, this is Thursday morning now. The video that I would have loved to have got out this evening should be more or less on its way to being done. Unfortunately, because this week I've had appointments after appointments, trying to do paperwork, trying to help out, volunteer at the shelter and everything. And I've gone more or less every morning this week. To be fair, it's all excuses, but I haven't really done an awful lot myself. Peter and Zoli are cracking on in the UK, which is fab. So I'll leave you with just a little bit more of them, I think. And hopefully this video will meet you guys on Sunday. I do apologise for not a Thursday one. Sometimes life just goes like that and I just have not stopped.
Okay, how's the kitchen going, Zoli? You
I
done?
just put PV on the wall, so I'm ready to fill it up after.
Yep, lovely,
I've done the plasterboard around it.
good. All the electrics in,
Window. Electrics in.
all the electrics in, PVA'd the walls, the frame, the inside frame is in for the plaster. And it's certainly looking bare in here.
As soon as start bonding it.
Start bonding, yep. There's a little bit of a delay on the window. Well, when I say a delay, it's going to take a week or two. It's not too bad, I suppose. We've got a piece of board that we put up every night. Just going to have to do that.
My desk fan is gone.
Your best friend? Oh yeah, yeah. Your best fan, your best friend, is gone. Yeah. Okay, the radiator's all on, done, plumbed in, and then these pipes here are going to go off to the boiler, which is just below there. So this is the first radiator on that run. Done. On to the next job. What I've got to do is, this is where the old flue was, out of there. So we're changing the position of the boiler. It's going to be put in a decent place. So anyway, I've got to cut this out, this brickwork. It's a bit of a mess here by the looks of it, and re-brick this little section up nice and neat, get it back to normal.
You two at it again. This is Thursday evening. Leo's back in the hole, aren't you, Leo? How is it actually? Oh goodness, that's all it runs to. Yeah, you're making your way round, aren't you?
It's because I'm right-handed. And it's awkward trying to dig left.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that's awkward because Leo's left-handed.
That's why he's on that side,
going
around the left side
Okay.
instead.
Okay. And Lobo's just uses both feet when he digs. Okay. You're doing a very good job, guys, anyway, yeah?
Yep.
Very good job. Can't believe all the mud that's come out.
We've put a couple of wheelbarrows up at the top.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, today is Friday morning. On this walk again. Today I don't actually have to go into the dogs. Not that they make me go. Obviously I want to go. But yeah, today I've got a morning away from the dogs. Not my two. They're here. And what these two are trying to do, I think something, not sure what, managed to get a rabbit yesterday, because we seem to be finding clumps of fur and bits everywhere. So trying to keep these two away. I've not seen any for the last few meters, so I thought, oh, it's safe to do the video. Basically, this week, as I've said previously, for me, it's been all about paperwork and appointments here in Spain, and paperwork from the UK as well. So that will continue today for me. Peter and Zoli have been carrying on in the UK, as you could have seen through the whole of the video so far. They're doing a marvellous job. I think it's quite tedious for them because it's a lot of ceiling work, wall work, and we'll see how everything else goes with that next week. But next week, oh, I'm sorry, there was a rabbit. Okay, it's okay. Muy bien, chicos. Muy bien, no pasa nada. No pasa nada. No, no pasa nada. Okay, I best wrap this up, because if these rabbits seem to have a death wish, I may well get pulled over. Hello. You're at this again? Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't do too much because I think it's going to get warm. I know it's early in the morning at the minute, but I do think it's going to get warmer. Yeah? I've decided I think this route goes down to the 9 circles of hell. And I'm not too sure what circle it finishes on. Hey you, it's now Friday evening. And you're still in the hole. How's it going? Yeah? Oh dear, we seem to have a casualty of war.
There's a new handle. The handle is broken from the beginning. There's one of the things on the left.
Oh, unbelievable. Seriously unbelievable how far down you had to actually dig.